After a long journey up and down the stairs, we finally arrived at the installation location of our dust collector. Although the equipment has been set up, but the filter bag has not been installed yet. The pulse valves are all installed. Standing on the 4th floor platform, my legs are shaking. There is a ladder connection between the dust collector and the main platform, which will be very convenient for dust collector maintenance in the future. On the other side of the platform, there are the bucket elevator. Our next video will continue to show you around.